Yes, villagers, we're going to show you how to make chicken nuggets or chicken tenders for your child. If you're looking to make a super quick and super easy recipe for your child, you are in the right place. If you're new to this channel, welcome to our village. If you're a returning villager, welcome as well. So, let's get into it. Welcome to Garden of the Mind, where we reduce stress, improve our health and fitness, and improve our financial IQ every episode. We must believe more than we see. Now, if you're a parent, you know that your children can have the most distinguished palate of any connoisseur that you know. They may like some things and don't like other things. You have to feed them no matter what. But sometimes that can be so difficult with the pressures of work and other responsibilities. Feeding them and their discriminating palate can be so tough. Well, we got just the thing for you. We have a nice recipe that's super easy and they'll absolutely love it. Save you plenty of time and plenty of heartache. As usual, we'll put all of the ingredients inside the description. Here we go. Breadcrumbs. Parmesan cheese, eggs, we only need one of these, a flat pan, cooking spray, a bowl, a few plates, a fork and a knife, chicken cutlet, but we'll only need 2 of these, almonds, a blender, and the oven, which is behind me, which I can't show you. Now, if your child has a peanut allergy or is allergic to nuts, please do not make this with almonds. By doing that, you'll still get a great recipe. It won't be as crunchy, but you'll save yourself a trip to the emergency room. And that's what's most important. Now, we've washed our pan. We're also going to wash our chicken off camera. So trust and believe we're taking all of the necessary precautions. Make sure that you do the same at home. And there you have it, chicken tenders for your most discriminating palate. You can make these and couple them with French fries for lunch, or you can make them for dinner with mashed potatoes and a vegetable. Very flexible finger foods, kids love them. Now I got this recipe from Maria S. in Manhattan. She gave me the wonderful idea of crushing almonds and putting them inside so that the kids enjoy it and don't even know that they're eating very good and very healthy. Baking it is absolutely phenomenal. It's a great alternative to fried. Now this recipe also goes great with some sauces, so you can have some barbecue sauce, hot mustard, the same things that you would enjoy on your favorite chicken fingers, you would love with this recipe. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you want to know when I post, which is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but the exact time, please click on that notification bell so you'll be one of the first ones to find out exactly what it is that we discussed here. And remember, thoughts are actions, words have power, and actions have consequences. I'll see you for our Mindful Monday section. I'll see you then.